Ji, assalamu alaikum. Now you can see this Ahmed is already interested to drink the Yakult. So I'm going to open it for him so then he will sit here because yes, wow. So you can see how he will drink this Yakult. He really like to drink Yakult nowadays because we already started last week only when we make our video. That is the first time we started to give him Yakult. In past he was not uh, he didn't like first time when I gave him he didn't like this then I didn't buy Yakult but now he is already addicted to drink Yakult so you can see Ahmad Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So okay, now Ahmad is already started to drink the Yakult. I'll show you. You can see this is the Asad. This is the Asad Pakistani store in Manila. You can visit that one in Paco, Manila, where you can buy all the ingredients from Pakistani and Indian ingredients.
Okay.
So what I bought there today, I'm going to review the food again. So first thing which I bought there is we are calling it samosa. So I'll show you. I didn't even check. So I bought the samosas there. I'll show you. This is like this. This one is like this. This is we called samosa. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can show Ahmad as well. He's drinking Yakult.
Happy?
So Ahmad is wow. Is it yummy? Okay, so I bought the 6 samosa there, and this is there. We are calling it meathi chutney. So that is the sweet.
Tamarind?
No, that is not only tamarind. I will taste. Then I will tell what they put inside.
Okay,
So
I
what
just
I am
guess.
going to do, I'll open this. So okay. So
Okay.
this is empty. And another thing I will show you what I bought there. Bismillah.
You can use scissor.
Mm. Wow. So delicious. I can taste here.
Which one? From the plastic.
Wow. It's so yummy. Like this.
Honey.
So yummy. Oh my
Honey.
God.
Ahmad
That
Ali.
is- I don't know what is the English of aloo bukhara, but that is the aloo bukhara chutney.
What is the English of aloo bukhara?
So delicious. Oh my God. And the second thing which I bought in a store, that is the sweet thing. We are calling it jalebi.
Jollibee, not the Jollibee.
So not Jollibee, we are calling it jalebi.
Jalebi.
So that is what Ahmad is. Wow, yummy. Ahmad already finished. So this is we call the jalebi. I will take it out. The owner of the Asad store, he told me that they cook jalebi in the desi ghee. So I will taste what is the taste of this jalebi. Ahmad, you want to take this jalebi? Okay. Ahmad is interested. This is his food because I just wanted to say sit him with me. He's not interested, but I put all his food here, so then he will sit here. Okay. And the next thing which I am going to compare here, we are calling in Philippines we are calling it. What we are calling it?
Empanada.
Empanada. So this is a kind of samosa, Philippine samosa. I bought it from Red Ribbon. You can see that. That is chicken empanada. The cost of this one is only 170. 170 for 6 pieces. You can check here. 6
No,
pieces.
210 pesos.
210? Ah, okay. So 210 is the 6 pieces chicken empanada.
Yes.
So let's see. And this one, the cost of this, I think the 30 pesos is so 180.
So
Six
if this,
pieces.
that is chicken empanada, what about this?
That is vegetable.
Okay. You can. What is the
The
feeling of
potatoes
that?
most of the time. Potatoes. Wait, Ahmad. I'll open this. You want to take this? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There is a tape I need to open. I can smell the fragrance of this. Oh my God, what is? Oh wow, amazing. Ahmad already saying.
Amazing.
Ahmad already saying. Oh wow, Ahmad. This is Ahmad's
Wow.
bunty. We are
Good.
calling it in bunty. Okay, Ahmad. Wow.
Okay, I will show you. Mmm.
Yummy. So now I am
Yummy.
going to compare both. I'm feeling thirsty, so I'm not
Okay.
going to promote the Coke. I'm buying the Coke because Ahmed don't like Coke. So he will not disturb me because he always wanted to just get the white drink. So I don't buy white drink. So then he will be addicted to taking the soft drink. Always I buy the black Coke. That is why he will not touch. He don't like. So he will not touch the Coke. Okay, so I put it
We'll
here.
start
Okay,
now.
Ahmed, you start by it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You want to taste it? Okay.
No, I will put it there.
Okay, you can fix it already. Then I will start for you.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So now I am going to start with the chicken
Panada.
empanada. Okay, so I will just open it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. Oh my god.
Oh, this
It seems like we have the same. We are calling it in Pakistan. I don't know what we are calling in other countries, but in Pakistan we are calling it chicken patties. So it smell is the same like chicken patties.
You can tell them what is the ingredients of that.
Mm.
Savory feeling chicken.
You tell there.
Yeah.
Tell there. Why you just tell there? No one is saying you. What are the ingredients of this?
No singing. Savory feeling chicken with vegetable and sweet raisins.
Mm. I will. It's really awesome. In 2 times 6 pieces. I
It's
recommend
worth
you
it.
guys. You will not think that you waste money. It's really awesome. It's really awesome. Perfect. Now I am going to taste it with this chutney. Mm.
What can you say? Oh, that is chicken empanada.
Ahmed, don't waste this food. You eat the chicken
Give
empanada.
him the Jollibee.
Chicken empanada. You eat the chicken
The
empanada.
Jollibee.
Ahmed, you eat this jalebi. Wow, so delicious. Ahmed already ate so many food, so he is not interested this time. You taste it. Just tell them. What is the taste? Just go near to the camera so then you can tell them. Mm.
Oh,
Oh my
so
god.
soft.
I didn't even try yet the samosa.
So
Well,
soft.
So soft, so delicious, so yummy, whatever you are calling. But amazing. Oh man.
Hmm.
I'm
So
thinking
perfect.
about the chicken patties. It's same. It's the taste same. Just go there and tell them what is the taste. I will give you the Pakistani also.
Yeah. I
Stand
already
there and
told
tell
them.
them. I
Good.
will give you this. So it's really awesome, guys. I really recommend you to buy this. That is the best one. That is the best one. Oh my god. Now I am going to taste the Pakistani samosa. You can see what it has inside. Potatoes. And also this is fried in desi ghee. Desi ghee is pure oil.
Mm. So delicious.
Mm. Really awesome taste. Mm. Ahmed, just a minute. I'll put you there. Just a minute. Oh my god. This is spicy, guys. But I also recommend you if you visit that is the shop. You can just Google it. You just type the Asad. You will see Asad in Paco, Manila, near the UN Avenue.
Hmm.
You can buy the all types of
You can tell them how
Sweet.
to from Santa
Sweet.
Mesa.
and
What?
the ingredients, whatever you need in Manila. It's so easy.
Hmm.
Just buy from there. I recommend you. I'm going to use this with the chutney. Aloo bukhara chutney. I don't know what is the English of aloo bukhara.
I'm saying to those people who don't know how to go there. How to go?
If you are using LRT, just go to the
If you're going to use public transport.
UN stop. One side is NBI. Don't go the NBI side. The other side. Just walk there inside.
Hmm.
Just walk. You will see on the. If you are walking from the UN Avenue,
Hmm.
then it will be on your right side. But it's around 10-minute walk on the main road.
Give me the samosa.
So now I'm
Pakistani
just
samosa.
give you a review.
Bismillah.
Guys, for chicken, if you want to eat in Philippines,
Empanada.
empanada, this is same like samosa or chicken patties, whatever you will call. But I think samosa is best because it has no layers for the patties layer. So it's already a samosa. This is Pakistani samosa, this is Philippine samosa. You can say empanada, Philippines, empanada from Pakistan. And now the jalebi. The uncle Asad owner told me when you will taste it, then you will realize what is the taste of this. They cooked it in the pure ghee, pure oil. Desi, we are calling it desi ghee. So he was damn right. It's not so much sweet, balanced sweet, and the smell of pure ghee, desi ghee, and the taste. Really awesome. So today's comparison of that was the comparison today. Maybe you are thinking why I am not cooking food because I have no ingredients. My ingredients already been finished and I was not able to go to the store to buy and I was super busy in my activities.
Personal life.
So now
Okay.
I already bought all the ingredients which I needed. This food is really awesome.
Yes, mashallah.
6 pieces 210, 6 pieces 180.
Yeah.
And this one is, I bought this all jalebi, if you can see. This is 1/4. I bought 80 pesos. So 80 pesos this, 180 samosa, 210 chicken empanada. That is all the cost.
But
of
that
today's
is not
food.
available in
Most
all-
of the branch is not available. I use the Grab food. So I ordered. I paid only 60 pesos and they in 270 it was only in my doorstep. So I don't need to struggle to buy the food. So now I am going to show you what I bought. So guys, you can buy there. Just put there. Give me some space.
Okay.
And I will put this there. Later I will eat. Now I am going to show you what I bought. Bismillah. Okay guys, look at this.
What is that? Unpacking again?
No, not so unpacking what I bought. I'll just show. You can buy Indian, Pakistan, all type of things there. You can see guys, this is MDH, Kasuri Methi. I used to buy the 100 gram but due to the stock shortage, I bought 4 pieces. So 25 gram each, I bought 4 pieces because in every dish I am using this. Then I bought this garam masala.
Legendary.
Garam masala which I am using in all, and this is the best one. I used to eat this spicy food. This is the Nihari masala, and you will laugh how many pieces I bought this. I bought 5 pieces Nihari masala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mashallah.
So these are the Nihari masala I will use, and then I bought this.
You
This
can
is
tell them what it is.
chana dal. We are calling it chana dal. And okay, I'll tell you the prices also as well. Look at this. This is the 50 pesos, 25 gram. So
How
I
many
bought 4
grams?
pieces.
25.
25 gram, 50
Oh.
pesos. The Nihari masala, 60 pesos each. So I bought 6 pieces. And then garam masala. That is, I think, what is the price? Where is the price? I think that is 120. I forgot the price. So the tag is not there. But I think 120. Maybe you can check it. So this is the chana dal. 1/2 is 50 pesos. So 1/2 is 50 pesos means 101 kg. And these are, I am calling the papad. Ahmed used to like it. I don't know how to call it in English, but when you will fry, it will have flour. I bought 3 types. This is the circle. There are
Ahmed Ali already.
there are Ahmed already brought one. Look at this. This is the star.
Star.
And one more type is there. There is one more type. Ahmed, this is.
Square.
And this one is square. So this one is 70 pesos each. I bought 3 pieces for Ahmed. So whenever he wants, we can fry it. Crackers, sliced crackers. Okay, Ahmed. And then next, what I bought this dal also. This is also 65 pesos, one half. So I bought 1 kg.
For
And we are calling it moong. Moong. This is moong, yellow moong. Right?
Yes.
And this one is masoor dal. That is 50 pesos, one half,
Which one
100,
is
1
the
kilo.
lentils?
Yeah, lentils. These all are lentils, and we are calling it dal in Urdu. So Ahmed, don't put your food here. Just put your food is there. Should be there. And this is the most favorite of mine. We are calling it pickle achar.
Not only you.
So you can see the price is 220. 220 is Shan pickle, and Ahmed already took 1 piece. This is the Hashmi Ispagol. How much is this? 180.
I
When
know
you
what is
have
it.
constipation, you can use this.
Okay.
So, and what was I was searching?
What else is it?
Ahmed already put all the things there.
Ahmed Ali.
This is the
Bismillah.
black cardamom. Last time and that is the expensive one, 160 pesos. How many grams? I don't know how many grams, but this is the 160 pesos. I bought 2 pieces
Black
of this.
cardamom.
Where is the other piece? I will check.
Okay.
And this is the, what we are calling it in English? Peak. This is chana. We are calling it chana. I again forgot the English of this. So 60 pesos, one half. I bought 1 kg. Then this is another black cardamom. 160 pesos this packet. Give me this one, the other one. So this is the, what we are calling it? Beans, red beans, and in our language we are calling it lobia, and in India they are calling it rajma. So you have 3 names: red beans, lobia, lal lobia, or rajma. Okay, and this is the black chana.
Black chana. One of my
Black chana.
favorite.
This is 50 pesos one half. So 1 kilo again. I bought it in 100. This is the suji. We are calling it suji.
Yeah.
And
For
suji. I will make the sweet dish with that. That is 70 pesos half kg.
Stall.
So I bought 1
what
kg.
dish is it? Halwa.
Halwa. I will make halwa. And the last but not the least.
No,
We have our more things are there. Ahmed food.
Ahmed Ali.
This is the masar. We are calling it black masar. So this is the black masar dal. This is 85 pesos one half. So I bought 1 kg. And what more here? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have no more space. This is the dry chili. Very important ingredients always I am using. And this one, the green cardamom. That is so much expensive. If you will buy it in bulk, I don't know. That is 50 gram only. 50 gram in 150. 50 gram in 150. Green cardamom. And that is the one which I really like the most.
For you can repeat for pakor.
Or pakoda. I bought, this is, we are calling it besan. I bought 2 kg. So 120, 1 kg. So 2 kg I bought it in 120 each, 240. And what is the last? I bought this for Ahmed. Custard powder, 250. I bought this custard powder for Ahmed. So this is all the purchase. I have now all the ingredients, all the things which I am cooking here. Now I will cook all the things which I needed. So,
But not here anymore.
but not here anymore because this is the second last week in this room. I already changed my residence. Maybe the next week I will be upload my last video in this room. Then I'll upload all the cookings and in our next room because you guys already know this is the rented room here in Manila. So might be this is the last week here. Next week I am going to shift my room. So see you guys. This is all for today. I'll enjoy my samosa and espanada.
Ano is?
What is that?
Empanada.
Empanada. See you next week. Till then, bye bye. Emma, say bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Say bye. Ahmed was not interested today. He's just playing. When he's saying so many things, he just play. Okay, guys. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you so much, guys.
much,
Allah
guys.
peace. Weekend food review plus unpacking.
Unpacking.
I hope you enjoy, guys.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.